How to activate a railcard trip.com. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to activate a railcard on trip.com. So for that, you just want to make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. And basically, to activate the railcard purchase through trip.com, you must purchase a train ticket using trip.com app. So the rail card should be added during the booking process to apply its discount, which automatically activates it within 180 of purchase. Open up your trip.com and navigate to the account section, or you could also go to the trains from the list or from the home page itself. As you do it, so what here you need to do is you just want to go ahead and select your departure and destination, stations, date and time, all that. Here it is. And once you add in the information, when prompted or in the passenger detail page, you want to go ahead and select the rail card option and choose the rail card that you purchase. The applicable discount will then be applied to your search result, and you could proceed to buy the train ticket. This single purchase acts as an activation for your rail card. Once activated, you can view your digital rail card under the account or My Railcard section or in the app, and the digital rail card is then available to show the railway staff or to scan when required. So that's how you'll be able to activate a rail card on trip.com. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.